So Gabe's phone, will it focus, is down there. Your career is over. Alright, hey guys, so we are at Logan's shop, as you can see, and I have a box which we are gonna open. If you saw my last video, this is what I was talking about that I'm really excited about. It showed up literally the next day. Haven't had time to do it yet, so we're gonna open it and show you guys what's inside. Struggle for a second. Ow. Ouch. I feel like I broke my finger. That's how we do it. Satisfying.
Peeling action.
Peeling action. Flappity. One more. Okay.
Oh, a box inside of a box! Oh yeah.
Okay. AlphaRex. As you can see, these are taillights. I know it says that it's going to fit. Mine's an 05. There's like, you know, like a, it's fine. I'm pretty sure I am the first truck to get these. Either the first truck to get these or the first person to put them on a 6.0. Oh, this one with a red sticker. I don't know. Oh, cool.
Those look nice. Tinted.
Nice. Oh, those are sick. Okay, so I just talked with Gabe. He said he thinks there is a 7.3 somewhere in the world that has these, but no one's really made a video about them yet, so oh, I'm so excited.
They look spicy.
Yeah, they do look. This is gonna be an upgrade.
And it's gonna look so good on your truck.
Yes. So that is our before. Okay, so they already did it, but you take these out. Savannah did that side. She's popping it out.
Are you like just trashing these or selling them?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure I stole them from Gabe's truck, so we'll let him make that decision.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but you know, we just wing it.
Me and Savannah have never done this before. A lot of stuff, if I'm posting about me doing something, it's... Yeah. If I'm posting about doing something on my truck, it's because I've never done it before. And the whole point of building your truck is you learn along the way. Oh shit.
Oh, I hope. Was that the light bulb? Oh, there's plastic in there now. Oh. The other one was way easier. I don't. Here, you can try. Oh.
So, to plug this light in, most of you guys may not know, you unplug the bulb, and then you put this into where the bulb sits.
This is so passive aggressive. Me and Savannah were really struggling with this one.
And then you come on the side.
It's because we start doing things without even like looking
These
into
two
it.
prongs, just put them into these holes. And now you don't have to freaking murder the tail light trying to put it in. It should just pop right in. All right, I see a lot of videos on YouTube of people pop, pop, pop. You don't do that. Thank you. Put in.
I see it.
He's so over.
No, because they break really easy.
Wind up. Do I just pop it in?
Push like this way. I do not want these to get broken. Put the screws in. Why does it not line up? Time up.
Cut.
I gave it 12 stuff.
We probably would have figured it out just maybe like
20 minutes later.
not today. We're learning. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed us being complete idiots for content. This is what they look like. I'll turn my hazards on in a second, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like with the lights off. Just again. They look super cool. I'll show you guys like from this angle. Yes, my truck is slightly dirty. Okay, I'm gonna go turn on my hazards just so you can see what that looks like.
Hey, you can't do that.
Boop. You like them?
I love them.
Ow. Just broke my ankle.
Can't wait to put them online.
Am I allowed to put that in the video?
Okay.
Oh, here's a...
It's in 4-wheel drive mode right now, so it's tall.
4x4. And then this will be the next. And I just bought a body for the van.
I would show you me in reverse, but I don't have reverse lights right now because I don't care. I just want to say a big thanks to AlphaRex for sending these out to me. Probably wasn't gonna get taillights for a hot minute because it takes me forever to pick out what I want. If you guys remember when I was trying to pick out my wheels, my truck was on jack stands for like at least a week or two because it took me like a week to actually pick what wheels I wanted and then like a week to, you know, get them, blah, blah, blah. So I definitely recommend these if you have my year truck or even any truck and AlphaRex has taillights for you. I recommend getting them. Super cool. Should they buy from AlphaRex?
Not even a question. Oh, look at that sun.
I know.
God, well, you ain't covered
Beautiful.
with that paint.
Alright, y'all, I am gonna end the video here. Hope you guys like the taillights. I love them, obviously. We've gone over this. I think we're headed to CPC, which is a powder coat place for no reason.
Let's go drop your frame off at Powder Coat. Probably going to use this, not push it out, or do you want it to push it out?
I'm totally kidding. I am not doing a frame off build I don't have money for that right now. Kind of have to finish this truck. If you want me to do something cool like that, just keep watching my videos. It helps me out tremendously. Yeah, that's really it. Weep weep.